Morning viewers. So this morning yet again we set out to do another one of the hidden gems of the North Coast. So today we are about to do the Paria walk, which it has been another one because I realized all they like the excitement, or they like the adventure spots. So today we're venturing into Paria side. So as you see the team there, myself, my son, his cousin, and Hiba. Wakanda forever. So this is the Paria experience, and the Paria experience comes with the cost of 7 miles going in and coming out. But that shouldn't be a deterrent to you. This is definitely a location that you should check out. There are 2 other options. You could come in with 4x4, but you're still gonna have to walk, but it's gonna cut down the walk by half. Or you could use a boat to come around from on the shore and boom, you're inside. Alright, once you get to the location, you're going to see so many fascinating things that is going to hold your attention from the word go. Now, my personal opinion, if you are doing Paria, the hike is much better than anything else because you're actually in nature getting that experience. Okay, so if this is your first time viewing our channel, I would highly appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so every time we upload, you will know.